In this video, we will learn how to set up your rank tracking project in ESLRanksPro.com. After coming on the website, you will need to click on Get Started for free. After that, the registration page will open. You will need to enter your email address, name, and password. Once you have entered your information, you need to click on the Submit button. As soon as you click on the Submit, an OTP will be sent to your email. That you need to fill in OTP box and register. After registering, you will need to log in again. After logging in, you will see different packages for using this tool. You can upgrade your account to any package according to your needs. For now, you can click on Forever Free. This is the dashboard of ESLRanksPro. To add your project, click on Add Project. On the next page, paste your website URL and write the project's name. And click on Next. Now select the language and location of your project. You can add more than one location. After selecting the location, click on Next. On the next page, you can add your competitors. If you do not want to add competitors, then click on Next. Now it's time to add your keywords to track your project's ranking. These are all our keywords. After entering the keywords, click on Submit. Now it's done. Go to Home. Now on this dashboard, you can see here our project is saved. Once you add a project, it takes 12 to 24 hours to fetch your website's data. After that, you can start to rank tracking or site audit for your project. So, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Then, you can try it by yourself and explore. Thanks for watching.